Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can enable local system administrator in your Windows operating system. Okay, so how we can do that? Open the system start bar, okay, here, and search here computer management. Okay, now you can see the computer management option here. Okay, so open this option or icon. Okay, now slide down a little bit and you can see the local user and groups here. Okay, click on users. Here you can see we have local system administrator. Okay, currently it's disabled. Okay, you can see this arrow. This is the symbol that this user is disabled. So right click on this user and go to properties. Now you can see account is disabled, so uncheck this option. Okay, and apply and okay, now the system administrator user is enabled. Let me show you. You can see here my user, and when I click in three dots you can see the system administrator user here. It's already enabled. Okay, so that's it for today, and you can also change the password if you want to set password. So you can change the password, update the password. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. Bye.